Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into BigCommerce to manage products and promotions, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.bigcommerce.com and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. After you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button to access your BigCommerce account. Upon successful login, you will be directed to the BigCommerce control panel. To manage your products, click on the Products tab located in the left-hand menu. Here, you can view, add, or edit existing products as needed. To create a promotion, navigate to the Marketing section in the left-hand menu. From the drop-down, select Promotions to manage your promotional campaigns. To add a new promotion, click the Create Promotion button. Fill in the required fields to define the details of your promotion. Once you have completed the setup, be sure to save your changes. Now you are ready to manage products and promotions efficiently within BigCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.